Everyday home basics. Sofa. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Table. The table is set for dinner. Lamp. She turned on the lamp in the living room. Blanket. The dog sleeps on the blanket. Chair. The girl sits on the chair. Door. Please close the door when you leave the room. Bed. I sleep on my bed every night. Window. The window opens to the garden view. Mirror. He put on a tie in front of the mirror. Shelf. The boy put the books on the shelf. Curtains. The room gets bright as the curtains open. Pillow. The pillow is on the bed. Toaster. I made toast in the toaster. Refrigerator. I keep fruits in the refrigerator. Washing machine. The washing machine is full of clothes. Microwave. Heat your food in the microwave. Vacuum cleaner. I clean the carpet with a vacuum cleaner. Which household item do you use the most? Please put the garbage in the trash can.